Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we're in Georgetown, Penang, and we're going to have one of the most traditional classic Malaysian breakfasts, Nasi Lemak.
So this place is called Nasi Lemak Daun Pisang, and can't wait to have our breakfast. Let's go! Nasi Lemak is located at Sri Weld Food Court. It is just right in front of the food court before you enter. We've checked out the assembly line earlier. It was crazy. They just laid out all the banana leaves that they needed, scoop out all the rice. So much action going on, assembling and wrapping up all the Nasi Lemak. It's a beautiful sight early in the morning, and you get the aroma of the Nasi Lemak. So there are 5 different types of Nasi Lemak you can choose from. There's the basic Ikan Bilis with Telur, Ikan Masin with Telur, Udang, Ikan and Sotong. Each packet is 2 ringgit and it comes with a cute mini size. It's perfect for breakfast. So what I've got here is the basic Nasi Lemak, which is the Nasi Lemak with Ikan Bilis and Telur, the egg. There you go, that's the egg on top and all the Ikan Bilis, just a basic Nasi Lemak. So let's not wait, let's dig in. They're known for their spicy sambal. Let's try how spicy this sambal is. Okay, just my first bite itself, it is really spicy, like good spicy. There's no nuts or whatsoever, very simple, very basic. I'm gonna go for another bite. Just love the spice, so good. They wrap the entire Nasi Lemak with daun pisang, with the banana leaf. It's so aromatic. There's a bit of coconut milk, but not too much. The banana leaf itself just makes the whole packet of Nasi Lemak very appetizing, very fragrant. Gonna go with everything, the sambal, the Ikan Bilis, and the rice. Oh, and the egg. So good. A very simple, classic Malaysian breakfast. Very delicious.
The Nasi Lemak Bungkus is the classic of all Malaysian breakfasts. We have this like everywhere, and locals usually pack it before they go to work. When we are younger, we actually have this in schools as well. So this is a really basic, classic Malaysian breakfast, and that's why this is also known as the national dish of Malaysia. I have gotten the Ikan Masin with Telur, which is the salted fish and let's say 1/4 of an egg. Why is yours half? Look at that. So this is the salted fish. It comes in like a block. I'm not going to be using my hands because this place, the sambal is known to be like really spicy. So they do give you like a tiny plastic spoon. Alright. First off, it's going to be impossible for me to cut the Ikan Masin with this spoon. It will definitely break. So I'm going to have a bit of a bite and eat it with the rice. Oh my god. Whew, it's spicy. It's really spicy. That salted fish is actually very fragrant. Surprisingly, it's a bit sweeter, not overly salty. The meat is a bit more flaky, it's a bit towards the tough side, but oh, it goes so well with the sambal. The sambal itself is also towards the savory side. I'm going to have another bite. This time with that little egg. The portion is pretty small, but I would say it's perfect for breakfast. You could have 2 portions. Just saying. The rice is very nicely cooked. It's not mushy at all. It has like individual grains. Perfect. The sambal and I would say the banana leaf makes a lot of difference. That is probably the biggest reason why you will come here and try out this Nasi Lemak. So,
That was a very simple classic breakfast, very light but very satisfying.
we'll definitely recommend you guys to come check out this place if you are in Penang. We'll leave more information in the description below so you guys can come check it out. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us if you like to follow us on our travel and food videos. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!